Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Before we jump into today's topic, we need to clarify a few things. This video is here to offer you some insights and increase your awareness about the hidden hazards in cleaning products. Please remember that this information is purely educational and should not replace professional medical advice. And hey, while you're here, why not hit that like button? It's free and supports us to create more content for you. Remember, your health is important, and it's always wise to consult with a professional. Now let's dive into our topic. When it comes to cleaning our homes, we often reach for the most potent products we can find, believing they'll do the best job. But have you ever thought about what's inside those bottles? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Many cleaning products on our shelves are chock full of harmful chemicals. These can range from ammonia and chlorine bleach to phthalates and sodium hydroxide. And that's just scratching the surface. Ammonia, for instance, can cause respiratory issues and skin irritation. Meanwhile, chlorine bleach is a potent irritant that can harm the skin, eyes, and respiratory tract. Phthalates, often hidden under the term fragrance on labels, are linked to hormone disruption. Sodium hydroxide, a common ingredient in oven cleaners, is corrosive and can burn the skin and eyes. And it's not just about immediate reactions. Long-term exposure to these chemicals can lead to chronic health issues. A study from the National Institutes of Health found that regular use of cleaning sprays can have an impact equivalent to smoking a pack of cigarettes a day. That's a startling comparison. Even more concerning, some of these substances are potential carcinogens. Formaldehyde, a common ingredient in air fresheners and disinfectants, is classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer as a human carcinogen. It's a sobering thought that our quest for a squeaky clean home could inadvertently be putting our health at risk. But it's not just about us. These chemicals can also have a detrimental impact on our environment. They can contaminate water supplies and harm aquatic life. And many cleaning products come in single-use plastic bottles, contributing to our growing plastic waste problem. So with all these potential risks, what can we do to keep our homes clean without compromising our health? Well, the good news is there are safer alternatives out there, and one of them might be sitting in your kitchen cupboard right now. But more on that in the next scene. Stay tuned! You may be surprised to know that the answer might be sitting in your kitchen right now. That's right, we're talking about vinegar. Now, this humble pantry staple is more than just a salad dressing ingredient. It's actually a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. Vinegar, particularly white vinegar, is a safer alternative to many of the chemical-laden cleaning products we often use. It's non-toxic and environmentally friendly, making it a much healthier choice for you and your family. With its natural acidity, vinegar is effective in killing most mold, bacteria, and viruses. And the best part? It's versatile. Let's dive a bit deeper into the myriad ways vinegar can revolutionize your cleaning routine. For starters, you can use it to clean your windows. Just mix equal parts of vinegar and water and voila! You've got yourself a homemade window cleaner that leaves your windows sparkling clean without any harmful chemical residue. Next, vinegar can also be an excellent solution for removing tough stains and odors. Spilled some coffee on your favorite shirt? No worries. Dab a bit of vinegar on the stain before washing and watch it disappear. Got a funky smell coming from your trash can? A quick wipe with vinegar can help neutralize the odor. And for those of you who love to cook, vinegar can be a game changer in the kitchen. It's great for cleaning countertops, cutting boards, and even your coffee maker. Just run a brewing cycle with vinegar instead of water, and it'll get rid of any mineral buildup, leaving your machine as good as new. So you see, vinegar is not just a safer alternative, but it's also cost-effective and efficient. And while it might not replace every cleaning product in your home, it's certainly a step in the right direction towards a healthier, chemical-free lifestyle. So, next time you're about to reach for a bottle of harsh cleaner, why not give vinegar a try instead? To wrap up, it's important to be aware of what we're exposing ourselves and our families to, even when it's something as seemingly harmless as cleaning products. Today, we've unveiled the hidden hazards in those shiny bottles under your sink and presented a safer, natural alternative: vinegar. It's about making conscious choices, swapping out the harmful for the healthful. Remember, making small changes can have a big impact on our health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information helpful.